So go to where you save Git on your hard drive and double click it. Click next. So this is going to save it on a per user because that's where the app data is. And I'll leave it there. I'll leave the integration. Git. And here I'm going to pick Notepad++, hence the reason why we installed it. Git from command prompt. We're going to use Tortoise Plink, because that way we can use the PuTTY file. And I am going to copy this to Notepad. Use OpenSSL. And I'm going to check out as is, commit as is. Use that one, symbolic links. Now it's installing. So now we need to do one more thing. So I wanted to go PuTTY and verify that this is correct. So it is.